Good morning, guys. It is Wednesday, and here in Michigan it's 55 right now. Yeah, still 55. It's not even 7 yet. Holy crap. Anyway, I've been thinking about this topic for a very long time. I mean, extremely long. Oh, condiments. In 2019, Americans, this is by December 31st, we have paid 42 and $720 million for condiments alone. That's steak sauce, soy sauce, barbecue sauce, dressings, mayo, ketchup, mustard, and every other one, like sriracha, sweet and sour. Holy crap, do we have choices? We are inundated with choices. Now, I did some looking on Pinterest last night, and here's the deal. In the 1950s, Americans spent far less on condiments. The flip side is, they didn't have that many choices. They had mustard, mayo, ketchup, barbecue sauce. That's it. That was it. However, by 1969, they had a whole aisle, one side of an aisle. It would be salad dressings, barbecue sauce, steak sauce, your mustard, your mayo, your ketchup, and that would be that. Now, holy cow, we got salad dressings, we got barbecue sauce, mayo, all kinds of mayo, mayo with ketchup, mayo with oh crap, mustard, soy sauce, teriyaki. We got my personal favorite, tamari, which is a little bit richer in taste and texture with soy sauce. Then we got sweet and sour. We got all kinds. And then we got a whole other aisle of pickles up the wazoo. Pickled cauliflower, jadera. It's like, why are we spending over almost $43 million when we can just pick up these books like this, and learn how to make these by keeping a few little things in our pantry? You can do, okay, let me find that section here. You got sauces, that's another thing. We have an abundance of, and syrup. This book here has, like, it's the Ball Complete Book of Home Preserving. They say 400 delicious creative recipes. They're not joking. They have syrup, salsa ranch chutney. That's one section. Then they go into condiments, ketchup, brush-on sauces, barbecue sauce, chili sauces, Asian and American, mustard, flavored vinegars. They have all kinds of other condiments like a harissa sauce. That sounds hot. Steak and burger sauce, roasted red pepper spread, plum sauce, taco sauce, Thai hot and sweet dipping sauce. Holy cow. And these are also the things that people spend money on in this country. Then you got this book, one like this, that, guess what, shows how to make mustard by fermenting it. It shows how to do butter. So I ask you again, why are we giving these rat bastards all our money? We're not getting any better off. We're not profiting. No, they are. This is my solution to the almost $43 million that will be spent on condiments. Learn how to make them all. Let's see, what is in a basic burger? Let me go grab a couple sauces out of the fridge. I should have already done this, but like I said, yes, it's early. Alright. It's not even 7 o'clock, so don't be surprised I don't have these things ready. I have your A1. Let's see, what's in this? Tomato puree, tomato paste. Oh, I see. Tomato puree they made with water and tomato paste. So I got that. Vinegar, got it. Corn syrup, got it. Salt, got it. Raisin paste, I've got the raisins. I just gotta make them. Crushed orange puree, I got orange juice. Let's see. Dried garlic, got it. Caramel, got it. Caramel color. Who the hell wants color when you get caramel? I mean, seriously. Dried onions, got it. I got onion powder, garlic powder. Potassium sorbate. What the hell is that? Xanthium gum. Again. Why? Celery seed. I got celery. I could just grind it up and have the celery. Powdered celery. Now, Sweet Baby Ray's my absolute favorite barbecue sauce. I get this for under $3 at Aldi's. Just saying, people. High fructose corn syrup. Distilled vinegar. Got it. Tomato paste. Got it. Modified food starch. I got Clear-Jel. That'll work. Contains less than 2% of salt. Pineapple juice concentrate. Natural benzoate as a preservative. Molasses corn syrup. Another current corn syrup. Really? Garlic. Sugar. Tamarind. Natural flavor. Dried. Whatever the hell that is. The tamarind, I could very easily get that. Walmart sells it in the Spanish section. See, that's the thing. All these things, you don't know what they are. They're supposedly as a preservative. Well, let's look and see what Ball uses for their steak and burger sauces. Fruit ketchup, no, thank you. Chili sauce, mustard. I just love it when things don't cooperate with me. Let's see. Ketchup is so easy to make. Seriously, you take some tomato paste, tomato sauce, put it in a shallow pan, stick it in your oven, 350, and just keep turning it. That's why I'm not going back far enough. Here we are. Yep. Well, I gotta go to 280. Here we are, finally. Alright, so what does this one call for? This steak and burger sauce. Pickling. Got it. Pitted plums. I got prunes, which is dehydrated. Plums already pitted. Peeled and pitted. Peaches, I would have to get those. Apples, I am so over apples. Holy cow. But I would get it. Will get it. So I'm going to do this. Cider vinegar. Got it. You need some kind of hot peppers. You know what? I've got a bag of dehydrated ancho peppers. Ginger root. I've got ground ginger in the fridge. Garlic. I got garlic paste in the fridge. Sugar. Cinnamon. Got them. Dried mustard. Got them. I'd have to get ground cloves. And I've got ground allspice. So I already have the majority of this stuff. So let's look at, let me see. Let's look real quick at this Thai hot and sweet dipping sauce. Garlic, got it. Salt, got it. Cider vinegar, got it. Sugar, got it. I always have sugar around. Hot pepper flakes, don't have them, but like I said, I got the ancho chili. So see, there's no reason, if you already have all this stuff on you, with you, there's no reason to be buying this. Salsa is tomatoes. You can get tomatoes in a can. Onion. I've got onion powder. Coarsely chopped bell pepper. I would have to get one. I would use an ancho. Chili pepper. Garlic. Got the paste. Tomato paste. Made it. White vinegar. Got it. Loosely packed, finely chopped cilantro. I don't like cilantro. I don't know what it is about it, but it reminds me of soap water. Ground cumin. Got it. I already have everything to make this, except the bell pepper. So, let's look at a pancake syrup. Okay, strawberry syrup. Strawberry stemmed and crushed well. Okay, I already have frozen strawberries, some berries frozen, a strip of lemon peel. I have preserved lemons. I could totally pull them out, rinse it off, and kind of chop the peel. Sugar, got it. Corn syrup, got it. Lemon juice, got it. There we go. I have everything to make this a berry syrup. Now, let's look at the fermented ketchup. Fermented ketchup. Tomato paste. Made it. 2 tablespoons starter liquid, like sauerkraut juice. I'm gonna have that later on. Maple syrup or honey. Got it. Garlic paste. Got it. Salt. Always have it. Ground cinnamon. Got it. I don't have cloves though. I need to get ground clove. I've got the whole clove. Pinch of cayenne. I've got it. 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar. Got it. In a jar. Got plenty of those. Then, see, combined tomato paste, starter liquid, maple syrup, or honey. I've got both. Garlic, salt, cinnamon, cloves, cayenne. In a jar and mix well. Okay. Add apple cider vinegar to surface of ketchup. This will help it inhibit the growth of mold on the surface. Cover tightly with a lid and let sit room temperature away from light for 2 or 3 days. When satisfied with the level of fermentation, mix surface vinegar into ketchup. Enjoy. For a thinner ketchup, mix more starter liquid, vinegar, or water. Ketchup will keep 1 to 2 weeks in the fridge. That's it. I already have the majority of that stuff. Mustard. I have ground mustard. There you go. Water. 4 tablespoons of starter fluid. I'll have that. Honey. Got it. Turmeric. Got it. Salt. Got it. Apple cider vinegar. Got it. Jars. Got a shitload of those. How hard is it? Well, let's see. Combine mustard seed water, starter liquid, honey, turmeric, and salt in a 1 pint jar. Mix well. Add apple cider vinegar to surface, to inhibit the mold from growing. Cover the jar tightly and let sit at room temperature away from light 1 to 3 days. Just don't forget it, or you'll have a mess probably. When satisfied with the level of fermentation, transfer to the fridge. Enjoy. Mustard will keep refrigerated for several months. Its flavor will continue to mellow over time. There you go. Of course, after it's fermented, you want to stir the vinegar in. Then they give other stuff here to do. Sauerkraut mustard, Dijon mustard, jalapeno hot sausage, straight jalapenos, and water. and starter. That is it. I mean, it's that easy to make our own condiments. And I have a Better Homes and Garden book from 1954. It has got a beaucoup of recipes in it for making stuff. So, with that, let's start keeping our money and start learning how to make stuff. If you don't want to get these books, that's okay. Just go to Pinterest. There you go. So you might want to get them, something like them. So, I mean, let's face it, it's only a matter of time until this government takes the internet away. It's just a matter of time. Well, the censorship laws are doing, and all the stuff that's coming out about Israel's war crimes. It's a matter of time. Now, I'm going to stop here because that's a whole other rant. Be well, be safe. Start thinking about doing your own condiments. It's really not that hard. I've already made ketchup. And it tastes better than what you buy at the store. I will see you cats later.